I'm super excited because next Thursday I am releasing my first ever template of 2020. And if we're being totally real, I'm releasing my first ever template in over a year and a half. I released absolutely nothing in 2019, so this will be the first one in quite a long time. And I'm really excited because it comes with everything. Like, it comes with the graphics to advertise it on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, all of those things that you need to actually help sell it. So mark your calendars because I will be doing a live stream next Thursday, February 27th, and I will be walking you through everything you get inside of there, how to edit it, how to make it your own, how to change the color, the text, all of that cool stuff. So that is next Thursday. But I thought what we could do today is talk about how to create your own fitness planner. Now, I'm going to go over the 10 components that make up a very successful fitness planner and what people are expecting when you say, I just made a fitness planner. And to help you out, I put those all together in a handy dandy little checklist for you down below. So make sure to check the description to get that. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings on Saturday. Now today we're talking about the 10 components that you should put inside of your super successful, super awesome, everybody wants it fitness planner. And I created a checklist for you down below, so make sure to get that so you can follow along as we're talking. But the first thing is you're going to want to make sure that your fitness planner helps people create a physical transformation. Now, the number one physical transformation most people are looking to achieve when they purchase a fitness planner is weight loss. Now, there are different ways to package this. I don't know that calling something a weight loss fitness planner is going to be very successful. I think there are many better ways to do that. We're going to talk about that Thursday. You could call it a 7-day bikini challenge. You could call it the post-pregnancy weight loss. You could call it the skinny jeans workout. But either way, we will talk more about that on Thursday. The other things you can help them achieve are getting ready for a race. Say they're going to do a marathon or an Ironman, a triathlon, one of those obstacle course races like the Spartan or the Tough Mudder. Or you could help them with getting ready for a bodybuilding or fitness competition. There's a ton of different things that you could take your fitness planner and really tailor it even further to the audience that is looking for that. The second thing is you want to make sure you put in a legal medical disclaimer that you're not a physician. You know, they should still check with their doctor first and all of that jazz. If you look at any supplements or anybody else selling fitness related programs, 99.9% of the time you're going to see that disclaimer. So you want to make sure you have that in your planner as well. The third thing is you're going to want to put in fitness stock photos. So not everyone carries fitness stock photos or healthy meal photos. I know I find a lot of good ones on Adobe, but I do end up having to go to other places like Media Bakery. I know bakery sounds weird, but they have a lot of good fitness photos. Sometimes Hot Stock, HAUTE, has some good photos as well. So you want to do a little bit more searching to get those stock photos that are really in line with your audience and what you're trying to help them to achieve. Number 4 is you want a bright and colorful design because you want it to be happy and positive, and not that other things are negative, but you know, when you think about gold and like something dark like browns and blacks, that's probably not the color or the mood that you're looking to achieve in terms of your fitness planner. And without going into a lot of color psychology, just look at a lot of the gyms nearby you. I know a lot of them use yellow, they use green, Orange Theory, right? So something bright and cheery is more in line with the audience that you're trying to reach and the planner that you're trying to provide to them. Number 5 is recipes. Now, if you had a book that is specific for keto, obviously you're only going to put keto recipes in there, but same thing, vegetarian, vegan, all that stuff. But if you're trying to help people to maybe bulk up for a bodybuilding competition, the recipes you put in there are going to be very different than, say, the ones that for your yoga weight loss fitness planner. So just start curating some recipes these right now. There's a ton of them out there on Pinterest. The other thing is number 6 is you are going to want to add in a workout log. Now, there are a lot of workout logs on your phone, on different apps, and maybe at the gym that someone belongs to, but it's always a great idea to allow people at least the opportunity to put everything in one central location, which is the fitness planner that you have provided for them. Number 7 is to have fitness and health specific quotes. So a lot of the planners out there, if you're looking at them for sort of inspiration or guidance or as a model, have really good quotes for people who sit in a desk, whether that's an entrepreneur or someone working on a writing goal or a blogger. And those are great, but you want very fitness, activity, muscle, strength, healthy eating types of quotes. I actually have a lot on my personal Pinterest. I'll leave a link to that below. But as soon as you start looking around, same thing with the recipes, just start curating those, create Pinterest boards for those. So when you get sit down to make your fitness planner, you have those all ready to go. Number 8 is fitness stickers. So if you're selling a fitness planner, don't sell the same stickers that you would for your regular planner or something else or generic ones. Create really cute ones for the fitness where they're dumbbells or they're healthy food items like apples and vegetables, so people can maybe track those in their calendar with little stickers, or a spin bike or a yoga mat. Be creative. And there, if you look at, who has a really great sticker pack for fitness is Bloom Daily Planners. They're absolutely gorgeous. Don't steal them, but just look at them for inspiration and try to make some of your own. And if you don't know how to draw, because I don't either, just think of things that you want. Maybe have some icons or commission somebody to draw those for you. Number 9 is you want to put in a meal plan. Now, normally in a regular planner, you would just leave empty boxes for the meal plan. And you let the person decide on their own, whether they're a stay-at-home mom trying to feed a family of 4 or a single person or anybody. You would let them do the thinking for the meal plan and just give them the tools in order to plan out meals. However, with the fitness planner, they're really looking for direction on you to give them an actual meal plan. Now, depending on what you are focusing on for your fitness planner, it could be, a super low calorie meal plan like 1200 and less, or it could be the 1800 meal plan or something else. But you want to get some guidance on what you were thinking when you put that meal plan together and what the purpose is, and then actually just tell them what to eat. The 10th, which brings us to the 10th thing, which is you want to create a grocery list. Now, a lot of times, again, if you compare a regular planner, it just has a ton of things listed and they have check boxes in it, and it leaves it up to the user to kind of select what they want to do. If you're going to give people a meal plan, I would have a matching grocery list for each of those, or a grocery list for your recipes, so people know exactly what to get so that they can make it to the store and bring those things home and then start cooking those. Now, all of that together will create a really great fitness planner. You can take some, you can leave some. The fitness planner that I have next Thursday has all of those things, so that you can kind of mix and match it, and we'll go into that in more detail next Thursday. But let's just recap that list for today really quick. So the first thing is you want to help people create a physical transformation. So make sure that your planner is specifically targeted and niched down to the goal that they want to achieve, whether that is running a race, doing a bodybuilding competition, weight loss, or something else. And again, we'll go into that in more detail on Thursday, this Thursday. I know, so many Thursdays. This Thursday, we're going to go in more detail on that in a video. Next Thursday, I have a live stream where we're actually going to go through the new fitness planner together. Number 2 is make sure to put a disclaimer in there for medical, physician purposes. They should check with their own doctor first. The third one is make sure you have fitness stock photos. Look far and wide. Look at some other, individual stock photo memberships. And then number 4 is use a bright and colorful design, something very clean and modern. Look at other fitness companies and what colors they're using. Number 5 is curate some recipes that are related to the subject of your planner. Number 6 is a workout log. Number 7 is a fitness and health, fitness and health specific quotes, not many of them. And then number 8 is having fitness planner stickers. So, dumbbells, yoga mats, cute things like that. 9 is to create meal plans for people. And number 10 is to create a grocery list. All right, I hope that was helpful. If that was a lot, you can't remember, don't worry. I wrote them all down for you in a handy dandy little fitness planner checklist. And I look forward to seeing you on Thursday, where we can talk about your specific number 1, which is your specific target niche audience and how to repackage your fitness planner to be more exciting, more marketable, and something that people actually want to buy. So I'll see you back here this Thursday, and I hope everyone's having a fabulous start to their week, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.